Hello there and welcome back to our channel. This is the part 2 of our wall Pilates for leg swelling or leg lymphedema. If you haven't watched the first part of the video, check the link in the description below to watch the video. And let's get into it. You're going to lie on your back and with your feet flat on the wall, you're going to lift your bottom up and down and repeat this 10 times. Next, you're going to lift your bottom up and walk up 4 steps, walk down 4 steps, keeping your bottom off the table or the mat. And repeat this 10 times. Next, you're going to lift your bottom off the table, floor, or mat and perform heel taps. You're going to repeat this 10 times. Moving on, you're going to lift your bottom off the table or the mat and move on to toe taps. Repeat 10 times. You're going to lift your bottom up again and bring your knee towards your chest. Repeat this movement 10 times. Make sure you're keeping your bottom off the table or the floor while doing these exercises. Moving on to a supine clamshell, lift your bottom up and you're going to move your legs out to the side like you're performing a clamshell. Repeat this movement 10 times. For added resistance, you can put on a resistance band across your knees and perform the clamshell exercises as tolerated. The next one demonstrated here will be the hip abduction, moving the leg out to the side with the band. Repeat this 10 times. Remember to keep your bottom off the table. This is also a bridge with hip abduction, lifting your bottom off the table or the floor and moving the leg out to the side. Next, you're going to lift your bottom off the table or the floor, put a pillow, a towel, or a ball in between your knees and squeeze for about 2-second holds. Repeat 10 times. The last exercise in this series will be to lift your bottom up and you're going to kick the leg with your knee extended towards your chest. Repeat the movement 10 times. Remember to keep your bottom off the table during the exercises. I hope you've enjoyed our videos. See you next time.